This is tonight's Showbotics. Let's meet our first robot. Please welcome.
Recent advancements in technology have impacted our society more than past scholars could have ever predicted.
Boston Dynamics, a robotic engineering and designing company founded at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, has been building robots for over 20 years.
Most recently, they have taken their robotics to the next level with the invention of Atlas, a humanoid-type robot, and Spot, their four-legged dog-like robot.
Robotic inventions from Boston Dynamics have left most college students in awe.
What? No way.
Oh, I saw that in an episode of Black Mirror. That is so scary. That's so scary. Oh.
While some students think that Boston Dynamics inventions, as well as other advancements in artificial intelligence, can have a positive impact on society, others are quite nervous.
I think it'll eventually have like a negative impact on society. I think right now, I think it does help in some aspects of life. However, even just like an example would be coming back to school and like the McDonald's having little touchpads instead of like having actual human interaction. So like I feel like it's one, taking away jobs, and I also feel like it's teaching people not to be as social anymore. So I think they lose like socialization.
I thought the first one looked like a dog, so I thought it was kind of cute. But the second one creeped me out a little bit. The second one was really realistic. It looked like one of those like armor suits that like military people use, and it's like, does it have weapons? Does it not? Like, what else is it capable of besides jumping really high? It just looked intimidating and not safe.
I don't think it would even remotely compare, because unless they were like smart enough to like mimic like human emotion, like even specifically like my dog, like if I'm upset or sick, like my dog's immediately at my side. Like I don't think they could even like remotely mimic that interaction and that comfort.
I think a negative impact only because, especially a lot of like technology is taking over like jobs and stuff like that, so then a lot of people are left without work, and also things can go horribly wrong and then everyone could die. So it's a no from me.
I think this is something that both the government, businesses and tech businesses have to actually sit down and have a legitimate discussion. If not, we're looking at a future where a lot of people could end up being homeless or losing their jobs, at minimum losing their jobs, or maybe another scenario that we're not even looking at.
Yeah.
What's your initial reaction when you see those videos?
The first one looked kind of cool. It reminded me of like an old computer game I used to play, like MechWarrior, some Transformers stuff, you know, with the jumping. But the second one was alarming because from what I remember from that video, I don't think they had programmed them to be able to open doors.
I've seen their sort of their four-legged robot, how it was in the beginning test phases, how it was from stumbling around on itself, and then how it quickly adapted to like for example, if like somebody were to like kick the robot and then try forcing it down, it would stabilize itself like if it was an animal. And there was also the two-legged human robot that they're developing also, that is it's cool, and it's somewhat frightening how fast we're advancing with those type of robotics.
For example, if they start taking away simple jobs that we do have, like in our factories, and even simple tasks like, I don't know, some like deli workers and stuff like that, I feel that potentially could take away the human workforce that we have now currently.
I would say right now, human to human is still a big thing, because like we're not obviously that far in tech yet. I would say that human to robot might be open to certain groups of people who are not as socially interactive, I'll say, who are more comfortable with talking with computers more than talking with another person here and there. So there might be some space for that. But in the future, there might be more people who are more willing to that, because obviously there's like apps like Grubhub, Uber Eats, who are like, I don't want to go all the way over there and then make an order and then walk all the way back. Why don't I just put it on my app, pull up the app, press whatever order I want, and then have it send it in. It's just the convenience of that, how easy it is very appealing to everyone else. So I think that there's going to be more and more human to robot interaction in the future.